Friends, welcome to TechEasy YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how we can easily configure the SSH public key and private key for the passwordless authentication. Okay, so our agenda of this video will be to configure the SSH passwordless authentication. So for this, just I am going to use the Putty Gen tool. Okay, because you don't have to convert any file format like Putty is used in every organization. Okay, so that's why I'm using Putty Gen tool. Okay, so here first of all, we need to install the Putty Gen tool. If you did not already install, then please go here and download Putty and Putty Gen both. So just go here and download Putty. Okay, so here you from the putty.org you are able to download the Putty, and also as I already downloaded. So here just click on download Putty and it will download. And here one more tool is required, which is Putty Gen. Okay, so just you can go into the Putty Gen, or you can also go on the putty.com, and from there you are able to download. So like here from Putty Gen, you can just download for the Windows installer. Okay, here. Okay, so I already downloaded and installed these two tools. Okay, now just I will go here and PuttyGen. So just I open PuttyGen. So I don't want to open Putty. So just click on generate a public or private key pair. So here just you have to drag your mouse here because it just asks for the randomness. Okay, so that's why. Okay, so just it generated a public key and private key. So what we have to just click on save public key first. So just I want to save it on my documents. And name will be like my public, my SSH public key. Okay, and just click on save. Okay, in my document here you can also give the like here pub. Okay, for just distinguishing, but if you also did not give any extension, then it's also work. So just click on save. Okay, just I save it. Okay, so just click on save private key also. Yes, it's saying, are you sure we want to save this key without a passphrase to protect it? Here you can also able to like give a passphrase, but for now I'm just not giving any passphrase. And just also make sure you store this SSH key at confidential place, okay, in secure manner, okay, because this is the private key. So we will store this private key at my system, like I store this key also in SSH private key and my document section. Okay, just click on save. Okay, we saved the both public key and private key in my system right now. But now just I want to take access of this VM. Now just I want to configure the passwordless authentication on this server or virtual machine. Okay, so this is a real line server. So just I am logging in here. Like this is the root account. So must also have to make sure SSH login is defined. So you can just check in our SSH config file. Okay, like right now, just try to access by using Putty tool. Okay, at till now we did not configure the passwordless authentication, just we are using the password uh, configuration. So my IP is 192.168.165. So this is the my VM IP. So just click on open. Now here you have to enter your username and password, hard password full authentication. So just I am entering here. But now what is the agenda? Just we want to configure the passwordless authentication. So what we will do? So just exit from here so that we don't have to enter password every time when we want to try to access any server. So what we have to do? Just we have to copy a file from here, like here. Just I will open CMD and I just go to the document section because this is the okay. Sorry, yeah, okay. SSH. Okay, here you can see that SSH public key is here. But where SSH public key is here? Just save that in download. SSH private key is here, but SSH public key is where it's not showing here. Okay, here you can see that my SSH public key is here. Like it's I saved with name my SSH public key, but I confused with the SSH, so that's why I'm not able to find that. So this is here. Now just we copy this SSH public key. So this is my SSH public key dot pub. Okay, no need to use this. Okay, just I want to copy this to this location 192.168.165 and 129. Okay, so it's just copied to the root directory. Here you can also specify the location. Okay, like in this manner, just I want to copy it to root data ssh. So it's just asked for password here because it's just I am not able to copy. Here just it says one file copied in here. So it's actually not copied that time because we don't specify the any location. So that's why it's not asked for password. Okay, right now just enter your password. Okay, this time it's copied. Here you can see that it shows the statistic. Okay, now just go into your VM. Just we copied the public key, generated public key to my server. Okay, so just I copied this to root. So and also ls here. Okay, I use ls icon earlier because this is a hidden directory. Okay, here you can see that data such is present. So let's read there ls here. Here we have to like here my SSH public key dot pub is here. Okay, right now we have to just use the one more command here. Just we want to generate a authorized key file. Okay, so by using this public key, so I just use the SSH keygen -f and just my name is my I just want to use my SSH public key and I want to append it to authorized key file. Okay, so make sure your spelling is correct here. Okay, so like here, just I make a small mistake, authorized. Okay, and here please. Okay, just hit enter. Now ls here. Here you can see that now our authorized key is generated. Okay, so now we are just ready for passwordless authentication. So now just we use the putty one more time. Just click on open. Specify your host IP, host name or IP. So just here I want to show you. This is the my IP 192.168. Here you can also use the host name like this is the my host name. So you can also use this host name for logging in. But right now just I am going to use the IP. Okay, 192.168.165. You can also use the host name, so don't be confused. Just here in this, I am just using the IP. Okay, just go into the SSH, just go into the auth and credential section, and here click on browse and browse your private key here. Like my name is SSH private key.ppk. Okay, so just click on open. Okay, just click on open. Now just we have to give the user ID and here without entering password we are here. Now we successfully able to configure the passwordless authentication. Okay, so just this is the scenario here like just I use the uh, passwordless or set up the passwordless authentication between the my Windows and Linux server. You can also set up this same scenario with your Linux environment from Linux to Linux. Okay, so that's it for this video. Okay, thank you for watching this video.